Hello everyone and good afternoon. Well, this ain't a SBC day 2 outlook. This is a day 1 outlook updated, and I apologize if I sound like I'm exhausted because I just got done finished mowing. So, and I came on here to see if they made any changes, and matter of fact they did. So, we got a moderate risk. They actually extended it a little bit southeastern of the original spot, and the moderate risk has grew. But I'm pretty sure for the most part, everything has remained the same for the most part. The marginal remains the same, except the marginal and the enhanced risk have changed a little bit. The enhanced risk now encompasses parts of Iowa, parts of South Dakota, parts of Minnesota, and it was like that last time. But now the moderate risk encompasses northern Iowa, east central South Dakota, and oh my gosh, dude, and southeastern Minnesota. However, the enhanced risk now encompasses Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Rochester, Minnesota, and Sioux City, Iowa. Now, and the moderate risk now encompasses Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Mankato, Minnesota, Mason City, Iowa. However you say that word, Ottawatomie. Okay, let's just say, let's just say, no. Let's just say that. How do you even say that? No. I don't even know how to say that. I'm sorry, but Minnesota. How do you pronounce that word? And Austin, Minnesota. However, the tornado risk today remains the same. The tornado has remained the same. And however, the wind risk has expanded. Like I said, oh my gosh, dude, I cannot talk at this time. Okay, the 45 now encompasses southern Minnesota and northern Iowa and east central South Dakota. And it is hatched, so that's hatched adds 10 more. So 55. No, oh my gosh, dude. So, yeah, I'm right. 50. So this is now 55. It says 45, and the reason why is because this thing don't go. It does go up to 50. See, but it says, but there's a gap in it, and it don't say 60%, but hatched, adds 10 more. So yeah. So now, the 15% now encompasses Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and Rochester, Minnesota, and Sioux City, Iowa. Now, and the 45% now encompasses Sioux City, South Dakota, Mankato, Minnesota, Mason City, Iowa, however you say that word, Minnesota, Austin, Minnesota. And the hatched, big severe, now encompasses Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Sioux City, Falls, South Dakota, and Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and Rochester, Minnesota. And now, the hail risk has upgraded a little bit. We have 2 hatch risk areas now. We got the 15, so 15 plus 10 would be 20, so now it's 20%. So 20%. So we got a 20% for east central South Dakota, and we have another 20% of damage of large hail in central Montana. The 5% today encompasses. No, excuse me. The 15% today encompasses Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and Billings, Montana, and Fargo, North Dakota. Big severe or hatched. Aberdeen, South Dakota, Watertown, South Dakota, Wilmar, Minnesota, and Brookings, Minnesota, and Marshall, Minnesota. And that's all I got. And that's all I got for you today, folks. I hope you do stay safe and stay weather aware. And if anything changes, I will for sure let you guys know. But and I will be doing the day 2 outlook here in a few minutes. Kind of a few minutes. I'll probably do it around 2:15 to 2:30. But I hope you do stay safe and stay weather aware. And I'll see you all in a few minutes. But yeah, this is oh my gosh, this is day 1 updated. I'll give you a little rundown. Okay, the same. The wind risk today, it has upgraded. I'll let you take time to look at that. The ME hail risk today upgraded. I'll let you look at that. But again, I hope you do stay safe and stay weather aware, and make sure you have your radios prepared if you have some, and if you don't, just have a way to receive those warnings, because you are going to see one heck of a show today. But I hope you do stay weather aware, and I'll see you all later.